A very warm welcome to DSV Pearl groundbreaking ceremony. We are pleased to share that DSV's by far largest facility in Singapore.
Today, I'm pleased that DSV is expanding its footprint in Singapore with the groundbreaking of DSV Pearl. And this is the 14th warehouse. Let me extend my heartiest congratulations to DSV and Logos for the groundbreaking of DSV Pearl. We thank you for your contributions to Singapore.
We would like to express our gratitude to EDB and JTC for their support on DSV over the years and granting us the direct land allocation where DSV Pearl will be built on. DSV Pearl is said to be one of the hallmark facilities in the region as it is designed and built with automation and sustainability in mind.
EDB and JTC have been very supportive of this development from the beginning, so we thank them all for their commitment to this project and also your continued support for our business into the future.
So if we are all ready, here we go in 3, 2, 1. May DSV, Logos, EDB, JTC and Precise businesses continue to prosper. Here's wishing them to have more successful collaborations and partnerships together as one.